So you made it to the interview and then they hit you with this question, tell me about yourself, and suddenly you're scrambling. How you answer this one question can set the tone for everything that follows. Whether you're aiming for a tech role or any other job, nailing this moment is crucial. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to craft a clear confidence response that works across industry and leave a strong first impression. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Jane. If this is your first time here, I share practical tips on career transition and offer support with resumes, interviews, or career advice. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. So no matter your career path, tech, healthcare, marketing, finance, retail, this structure works. So the first thing is for you to start with what you've done in the past. So give them a quick background and how you got started. Then the second thing is for you to talk about your present, experience. So what do you do now and your key skills? And then talk about what you're looking for and why this role excites you. So I'm going to show you how I answer this question as a business analyst, and then you can tailor it to your own story. My name is Jane, and I'm a business analyst with over 5 years of experience helping companies solve problems, improve processes, and deliver better user and customer experiences. So my journey into business analyst started from a non-technical background. I worked in healthcare for over 21 years, and I was always drawn to fixing inefficient, workflows and bridging communication gaps. So that's where I discovered my natural skill for analysis and improvement. Today, I work across e-commerce, legal services, retail sectors. In my last role at XYZ, I led workshop, gather requirements, help implement a CRM system that improved customer engagement and internal efficiency. I'm known for my clear communication, collaboration approach, and ability to translate business needs into technical solutions. Now I'm excited to join a forward-thinking company where I can contribute to meaningful projects and keep growing professionally. Can see this answer work in any profession because it follows a proven structure, past, present, and future. It also highlights transferable skills and it ties your story back to the role you are applying for. And most importantly, it sounds genuine and confident. So to make this your own, mention relevant tools and skills like Excel, Canva, CRM, Miro, if you've actually used it to, do any work with them. The second thing is to share a specific win from your current or past job. Yeah. And then the third thing would be for you to practice your delivery. It sounds, want it to sound very natural and not rehearsed. And the fourth thing would be for you to adapt your tone based on your industry, of whether it's conversational or whether it's formal. So this works whether you're going into tech, healthcare, admin, HR, whatever field that you want to go into. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, share with someone who's preparing for interviews, drop a comment with your industry, and I will help you tweak your version of tell me about yourself. Remember, this one answer can change everything for you. Bye, and see you in the next one.